Hi guys! Welcome back to 375 Dance Studio. My name is Mela and today I will be showing you foot strengthening exercises that might help you in your dancing. Alright, so we're going to start out nice and easy. Feet together, and we're going to start with 5 releves. We're going to easily rise up onto the balls and lower. 2, 3, 4, and 5. Now we're going to point to the front 4 times, alternating feet. Make sure you're really articulating through the feet, stretching through the arch, and pointing through the ankle. And to the side. 4, 3, 2, and 1. And last to the back. 4, 3, 2, 1. Really point those feet. All right, now point one foot forward, and I want you to circle that ankle. Draw a circle with the toes. You should really feel this in your ankle. One more circle, and the other way. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Good. Switch feet. And again. 4 on the outside. 2, 3, 4, very good, and 1, 2, 3, 4, very good. Next, we're going to point the foot to the front and we're going to flex. Make sure that foot is nice and flat, and point again, strong point, and close the feet. And switch your feet. Flex that foot, very good, articulate through the feet, and close. And one more time on each side. Flex, you should feel every muscle in your foot. Close, and again one more time. Flex, good, point, and close. Now you're gonna point to the front with your right foot. You're gonna demi-point, so you're gonna go onto the ball of your foot, then to the toes of your foot, and close. And you're gonna do the same thing to the side. Demi-point, full point, and close, and to the back, demi-point, point, and close. And we're going to repeat to the other side. Point, demi-point, point, and close, side, demi-point, very good, and close, and last, back, demi-point, point, and close. Good, you should already start feeling it in your ankles and feet. Should be a little sore, and let's continue. Okay, this next part is going to be very important on using the inside of your ankle. So you want to make sure that the inside of your ankle really goes as far down to the floor as possible. This is going to help when you point or when you have a press. Your ankles are going to have a very nice arch. So by doing that, we're going to go to the side. We're going to really try to arch that ankle down to the floor. Put a lot of pressure into the floor and scrape it. Close those feet in, switch the feet, and again, other side. The tension here is very important. Every muscle should be working not only in your feet, but also in your legs. Again, one more time. Good. And one more time. Very good. Now try this, but in a circular motion. So we're going to make a half moon by doing a ronde to the back. And when you close that foot in, really focus on the ankle going down to the floor. Again, forward, around, and close. Good, now we're gonna go to the back. Around, we're really focusing on pointing that foot, articulating, and close. And again, side, forward. And when we close that foot in, make sure that we're closing in and touching. And now the other side. Point forward. All the way around, really pointing that foot. Use that ankle to close in and point forward again. This will really help with your footwork. Any rumba walks, cha-cha walks. Again, one more time. And close. And now to the back. Back. Side, forward. Really push through the floor. You want to make sure that your foot isn't leaving the floor at any time. Keeping that connection. Very good. Now roll out those ankles a little bit, loosen them up, give them a little break. And now we're gonna head to the floor. Now that we're at the floor, we're gonna sit with our legs straight forward, and we're gonna start by pointing our feet and flexing the feet. You wanna make sure that you're not making it choppy, you're really moving slow through the actions. 2 more. And flex, and when you go to point, you're gonna go through a demi-point to a full point. Good. Now you're gonna alternate. You're gonna point one and flex the other, and switch, really focusing on that footwork. It should hurt a lot already. All right, good. Now meet both of your feet in a flex. You're gonna open up into first position, point those feet as much as you can, close them, and bring them up again. One more time, open, and point those feet as much as you can, close, and really stretch them up. And now we're gonna do the opposite. So we're gonna point first through the demi-point. Don't forget the demi-point. Open, flex those feet, and close. Very good. And point, you should feel every single toe moving into that point. And close, very good. Shake out those feet. And now, you're gonna bring your foot across your leg. And you're gonna push through this arch a little bit, loosen it up. You can roll out your ankle. This will feel very good after all the exercises. And after you warm it up a little bit, you're gonna take the top of the arch and press it as much as you can. You should feel a very nice stretch in your Achilles and in the front of your foot. So you're gonna push as much as you can for a good amount of time. Push until it hurts too much. And then you're gonna slowly press from the bottom with the palm of your hand. You're gonna put it on the bottom of your foot and slowly articulate it up into a flex. And now you're gonna switch to the other foot. Move through that arch, really press those fingers in there, loosen it up, roll out the ankle, and grab the foot on top, press down, really achieve that point that you want, and until it starts hurting too much, you hold it a few seconds longer, suffer a little bit, and then place on the bottom of the foot with the palm of your hand and slowly resist and push that foot up. Very good, shake it out. Now we're gonna do a little bit more action standing up. This time we're gonna be bending our knees and really reaching that arch of our feet in a releve. This will really work on the Achilles and should help with pointing. So we're gonna start with 2 straight knees and we're gonna rise up onto releve. Bend those knees, achieve a high arch. Place the heels down still in bent knees and straighten. And one more time, you're gonna rise up, bend those knees, heels down, and all up. You need to squeeze everything up. And one more time. Up, bend those knees, heels, straighten, and everything goes up. Very good. Now we're gonna have a little bit of a challenge. We're gonna test our balance. So you're gonna go on one foot. The other foot you're gonna put behind. Still remember to point it, because we're still exercising that foot. But try to rise up 5 times on one foot. You're gonna really use those muscles and make sure that you're not rolling on the outside of the foot. This is very important. It's very easy to injure yourself. So rise up on the inside of the foot and lower. And we have 4 more. Up and down and up and down. And you should really feel it on the inner thigh. Up and down. And one more time. Up and down. Very good. Switch those feet. Switch the legs. And one more time. We have 5. Up and down. And up and down. Use the muscles in the legs. Don't only think about the foot because you need the help from the leg. And one more, and down. Very good. Shake it out, stretch it out. We're gonna continue to use the bending of the knees to stretch the Achilles. So we're gonna go to the side. We're gonna point our foot to the side, and you want to really arch over that foot. Put as much body weight as possible onto it. You wanna feel that pressure into the foot, and you're gonna shoot to the side, point that foot, and down. And continue to the other side. So point the foot, put that pressure, put that body weight on that foot, see how much it can handle, and shoot, and down. And one more time, to each side. Put that body weight on there as much as you can. When you shoot that foot, you should really feel it behind the leg, through the foot. Close, and one more time, to the side, over that foot, feeling every muscle stretching, up and down. Very good. Shake it out with a plie. Shake out your feet, your ankles. Okay, so that was the exercises that I showed you. I really hope it helped. Push yourself as much as you need to. Once you feel that it's very good and you're feeling the strength, that's the limit that you should stay at. So you can definitely do more. If you need, you can do less, whatever works best for you. All right, I hope that helped, and thank you so much for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next video.